Let's see. Let's see what they're doing. Toasted. Alright, we'll get stuff ready. I'm bringing some more ready. It's not here tonight. It's not so far. First one. This one's just chicken walking. Anyway, let's go. 11 o'clock right here. I'll get this up ready. Later. Okay, it's a pretty good size one. Looks like it's easily 3 pounds. Possibly more, not very gauging weight. But it looks pretty impressive. So, what I'm going to do, I've got my platform built here. I'm about to get the boxes set up. I'm going to show you, most people have been YouTube want to do this, but I'm going to show you how to, whenever you come across a storm, from your high storm, you go to a land that's a fairly good distance. I mean, that's a short distance from the ground. This is pretty much how I do it. So maybe this helps somebody out. I don't know. Maybe it's something you need. But anyway, we get everything set up and we'll go from there. Alright, everything set up. Just as simple as this. My game plan is red limb, pulling down close to it, just shake them off, no big jump. I'm thinking I've got 3 frames on each side, I've given them plenty of cavity and nails to fall into. I'll get in there, I'll kind of look around, see if I can pop the queen, if I can, I'll catch her with a queen catcher, just to keep her safe while we do this. Most times it's difficult to find her. But I'll give them the box and add some frames and then close it up and then we'll see how they respond. So this is pretty much how I catch this one. That's landing on a tree. It's a very simple process and that's really time. This one, look, I got lucky with this one. So here we go. Now, I got a lot on the ground. I'm going to be real careful while I'm setting. The front and the back. I'm just going to stand on this side a little bit and look. Wow, it's a lot. And some I'm going to go back up to the limb. Seems to cause a fair amount still there. Look down here, see if I can see her. Be real careful because she could be one of those going around. Come back. So far so good. We've got the other 4 frames in, so now they're going to have 3 just foundation frames and 7 drawn out cone frames that kind of put them in there sporadically, so they'll go ahead and work on those foundation frames. It's nerve wracking trying to get everything in there because if you accidentally kill the queen, you switch the queen, she's in there, and it's kind of game over because there's no edge or anything in there for them to make another queen. And if we're trying to be a lane worker hive, if you don't have a queen, you have to hurry and buy one from somebody or find a a cat queen cell from another hive. To be honest, I'm going to go to the hive, just hang from a little bit, dissect it, probably split it, keep a couple of queen cells. But we'll try to get all these frames smashed together here without killing a bunch of them, and I'll be right back. Right there, everybody, got all 10 frames pushed together. Everybody can like I was up in the wood, they're staying here, and I'm going back to branch. I think I can tell you the queen's in there somewhere. It's just meticulous trying to push those frames together. Some people just push them, don't worry about switching somebody, I hate killing y'all, especially I hate to queen. Right now I'm going to get the inner cover put on. Have to be kind of careful here also. There's one line to the queen. And then there's somewhere, so I usually start the back. Just do a little slide on. I'll get it down the other way. Don't rush things. Eventually watch it hang out inside, or eventually make your way around. Side note, I don't normally have to wear this much guard when you're doing swarms. They're usually very laid back. I've got some hives over there just within 10 feet. Some girl over there didn't appreciate me working over here on this one, so she just came up and she didn't give me a warning. She didn't give me a warning bump or two or anything like that. She just came up and hit me square in the forehead and stung me. So I thought, I'm going to get stung again today, so I decided to put stuff on. I'm in the shade, so it's not too hot. I'll go ahead and spare you this part out. This is ridiculous also. I will say this, if you got some in your way, you normally don't much like it. I usually just kind of blow on, give them a little. Nope. I usually get away from that. Looks like I may only kill one. That's casualty. Can't help. Alright, got the air cover on. Got over here. I'm going to give them time to move in, because I'm going to put the outer cover on and switch them. I'll be right back. I didn't have place to sit here and wait one move, so I just used a little branch and brush them off. Looks like they're all making their way through the entrance. But now I'm going to find a way entrance. I've got some sugar water ready for them. I know the nectar flows on here where we're at. We've got plenty of clover, the princess about to start blooming. But this one came here with no resources, so they didn't have honey stored, didn't have nectar stored. They were here with nothing. That's why you normally would feed a swarm that you catch, because they have nothing but themselves. So I'm going to get this ready. Another thing, I already got them strapped under the box. That makes it a bit easier. You get ready to close her down and move her. So I'll strap this one down, put an introducer on. Later on this evening, I will have to move this hive just about 30 yards over in the same area, but since they're just this one right here, I've done a few more times. I'll move them where I want them, and then I go ahead and put a few branches and sticks kind of in front of the hive, so that way when they get out and start flying around, they realize, hey, something's different here. Or at least this is what the scientists and professionals say. They think, okay, branches are in the way, this is a different entrance exit, I've got to reorient here. And so I've been doing that the past few years. I just moved across the yard, put the branches in front of there too. I never had any trouble with it. After they've got branches, they have reoriented, they're good to go where they're at. I think anything else I was going to say, that was pretty much just how you do a swarm off of a branch. You just want to make sure you get the queen in there. Sometimes you won't see her anytime soon. In another week or two, I'll open this up, see how they're doing, see if I can find her again. If there's eggs and brood and stuff like that, then we're good to go when she's in there. If it happens to be a virgin swarm, then I got to hope that she goes out and gets mated properly and comes back. But that was a fairly large swarm. I'm hoping that it was a mated fertilized queen already from the hive. So now I'm going to let this one settle in right here, go over to the hive that it came from, and dissect it, pull it apart, pull some queen cells out, and I may do a split on it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave questions. I usually get back in a prompt manner. I'm not an expert, I'm not a professional. I'm just a beekeeper that enjoys doing what I do. I hope this helps. Bee ball out.